What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another take on the official Trump meme coin right here, which still only seems to go down in price. Could this be a massive shakeout, a massive strategy to get as many people selling as much as possible? At this point, I do begin to wonder, but at the end of the day, I could also be incredibly incorrect. Now, $26.63 we've got here for Trump. It's down quite a lot, as we can see from the top. It is really down from its highs of $75 down to $26.7. But if you really think about it from the very start, some people are still up massive amounts. So in real terms, $5 billion market cap for a coin that's been around for 5 days is still significant results. But, it did move up very quickly, and I'm sure there are, a few people within a small circle, if you want to call it that. If you had like a network map of a few early people that got in, I bet some people made insane amounts just from getting in early. Now let's talk about some news, some price, what's going on. We've got another video coming up very soon, so subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's all about insiders. Are there inside wallets of the Donald Trump, official Trump coin to be worried about? Well, all projects have the early buyers, and that's just a fact. But we're going to try and at least find a few of them and see what they're doing. So at the moment, guys, it's not looking amazing, but we'll cover some news that does make things feel a little bit better. So firstly,
internal working group to make America the world capital of crypto and
Donald Trump signing right here an executive order to make America the world capital of crypto. So basically, America is going to be the capital of crypto, right? So that is insane. I thought it might have been the UK once, but apparently not. We just couldn't do it. But yeah, insane, because obviously Dubai right now is seen as the capital of crypto, but Trump wants it to be America, which is a bullish thing, right? And there's another thing that we can see, Travala, which is actually a company where you can pay with your crypto to go on flights and things. Trump is now live on Travala, so you can actually utilize your Trump coin to go book a flight or book fun activities or book a hotel or whatever it might be. Could this be another way to get people to sell more Trump, to get rid of more Trump? Trump's not doing much right now. I'm going to go book a flight and have a dopamine-infueled little mini weekend away. And then what if in 1 month's time, this coin rockets up to $100+ or more? Maybe even $100 billion market cap. Call me crazy. Who knows? It might not. Right now I'm very much in between bullish and bearish. I'm bullish because I just can't see how the president, Trump himself, would allow a coin to flop. That's why I'm bullish. It's friggin' Trump. But I'm bearish because we don't know how much percentage is being held by, people that could just flop the charts. Because you could have, for example, 15 Solana wallets that are owned by the same person. Each one might have 0.1% supply in it, right? But that's still 1.5% supply. So you could have 50 wallets owned by the same circle or group of people. And they're all just being sort of micro hidden within these little sub wallets. So that's one thing you've got to be careful of. Who's doing the selling? Who's doing the damage on the charts? As always, spoiling you guys. If you want to buy Trump or any other meme coins for that matter, you can use KSEX. And if you are down on money right now, which you might be because of Trump going down, KSEX will help you. It's got the lowest fees in the entire market. You will save thousands of dollars over your crypto lifetime. So do check it out. Make a 0% fee, take a 0% fee on pretty much any coin. And also we have Bitchinix, another one I enjoy. If you want a bit more sort of utility and product side, you're going to get copy trading with this one, more staking and on-ramp or fiat. Bitchinix, another great one. So links to the exchanges are down below. But everywhere we look right now, guys, it's just bearish. President Donald Trump's official meme coin, Trump, generated billions in market value over the days of its launch, captivating the crypto community and drawing sharp criticism from industry leaders. Just a week ago, Trump quickly soared to become one of the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. However, the token has plummeted 50%. Well, the faster something goes up in price, the more greed and euphoria that is attached to it, the quicker the token will come down. And that is always going to be true. The higher it goes up, there's someone sitting there that bought really early. His profit is just going up. It's multiplying. It's compounding by incredible amounts. It's like playing a game of Balatro, if you know the one, the card game. Your multiplier effect just keeps on going and going. Suddenly you're at infinity, right? Not really as crazy as that, but that's how I sort of think of it. So here we're back to the charts, good old charts. And this is where we can see we are falling away ever so slightly. Basically $26.40 at the moment. We have come down a little bit lower than I'd have hoped we would have. On the Fibonacci retracement side of things, we're sitting at the 0.618 Fibonacci, which is typically our pocket for accumulation. When a coin falls down to 0.618 Fib, typically over its long-term play, usually it can be a good time for accumulation. You can see the 786 is even lower. The 0.786 sits right down here at $16. Now, I really hope that does not happen. But right now, anything could be possible in this market. We don't know the trajectory for anything. If anyone knew the future about crypto, we wouldn't be talking about it, because you'd be able to go 1000x leverage long or short on any particular crypto, right? And you'd never need to work again. We'll talk about the subject again. So here we can see it's just down, down, down. When we look at the charts here, it doesn't look bullish. There's no big impulses happening anywhere. And when you look at what's going on the trade history side of things, it's pretty much only sell. Sell, 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 sell. It's only sell. Only sell. I'm scrolling away. Only sell, only sell, only sell. Not only fans, only sell. Only sell. Look, and then you get this random 400k wallet. And then, I did just spot this 30k wallet up the top here. So is this a massive, massive game of let's create as much fear as possible? Let's shock the retailers as much as possible, because they've never even felt such volatility in their lives that this is going to overwhelm them and invalidate their logic and sell. Now, typically in a bull market cycle, or a traditional 4-year market cycle where Bitcoin goes up and down, what happens at the bottom of that market cycle? All the articles start spinning up. Oh, crypto is a scam again. Oh, Bitcoin's going to crash. Oh, Bitcoin to zero. When truly these articles and all this fear, this extreme fear that is kind of drawn up, and when the retailer or the normal investor is feeling so terrified to even buy another $50 worth, usually this is the actual reaccumulation zone of a lifetime, the golden opportunity of undervaluation, reaccumulation, I like to call it. So could this be just a very much fast forward, cycle where it's come down? We've gone from extreme greed to extreme fear in a matter of days. And that's the emotional dissonance we've got here, the discrepancy between feeling like a genius, like wow, and feeling like, oh, that was the biggest mistake of my life. That is literally what you're seeing here, because charts is just a reflection of human beings, consumer behavior. And right now, the average person will not be buying here, I can tell you that. But I might even buy some here for the sake of this video. I'm almost down to my entry point, which was $18. My entry was $18. I have sold some, I've took my profit off the table, but I still got 100 Trump left, I think. Bought at $17. I might even buy some more. If it comes to $22, I'll buy more. So folks, right now we need to see this recoil back to $31. Right now it's not looking too amazing. I think there's got to be something good come out of this. Otherwise it will just continue to go down and down and down and down. So yeah, maybe it is out of Trump's control. Maybe, 80% of the supply is sold to them. And when you look at many big meme coins as well, such as Brettcoin, big meme coins at PEPE, supply is held by a large quantity of, whales. Usually the team even tries to hold as much as possible to have that supply control as well. So it almost starts to begin to feel centralized and like a decentralized finance sort of thing. Anyway, guys, the next video will be also interesting. I know there wasn't much to say here on the price side of things. It does look like it's going down. This is a falling wedge again, but that last falling wedge did nothing. So it wasn't even a bullish reversal. I think right now we've got to wait, see what happens. We need some good news. We need the rest of the market to pick up. We need to see way more buying pressure than selling pressure. We can see on the 21 hours, there's been 24 hours, there's been $85 million sales, $43 million of buys. On the 6 hours, 21 million sales, 12 million buys. On the 1 hour, 3 million buys. Well, that's looking a bit better. So you see that? Smart money or something is happening on the 1 hour. Makers, whatever it is, are holding this price up a little bit. Someone's got to hold the price up a bit, otherwise it would just fall straight through the floor. Anyways, guys, before we wrap up the video, please do check out the Patreon group down below. I know you guys hate it when I talk about this, but we have designed it with basically you in the forefront of our mind, right? We want to try and make people as much gains as possible during this bull market cycle and prepare for the next bear market. So Crypto Legend, we've got 5 slots left. It's $100 a month. We've got Crypto Champion at $60 a month, 2 slots left. And we have a few other smaller tiers here as well. We've got the Crypto DJ, which is just $4 a month, a cup of coffee per month, just to get into the little high risk, high reward section where you're going to get some sort of risky sort of, meme coins and stuff plugged in there. Which we did put Trump in, actually. People got in at $18. So people did make profits out of that. And this will give you, like I say, all the juicy access to all the trading signals where you can make hopefully some massive, massive gains in this market.